My name is Moses Wamkota. I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So today we are going to talk about 7 ways in which you can make money online in Nigeria. So stick to the end of this video so that you can reveal the best ways in which you can venture in and then start making your extra nairas online in Nigeria. Jumping to side hustle number 1 is that you can start teaching people online on YouTube on certain topics. And this side hustle does not involve any kind of knowledge or any investment. The requirement here is that you need to have your smartphone and a laptop and a reliable internet, then you are good to go. Now, before you start any YouTube channel, you must do your own research because there are many niches that you can choose and then start your YouTube channel. For example, you can start teaching people on finance or teach people about health. Make sure that you teach people the topic that you are interested in, because if you mix up these topics, you might end up losing motivation. That's why I always tell you that before you start any YouTube channel, make sure to do a thorough research. For example, if you can choose a niche about lifestyle or cooking, make sure to stick on that niche, because once you stick on that niche, this algorithm of YouTube will notice you and then it will push your videos to those people who are looking to cook new stuffs or to cook new foods. So before you start any YouTube channel, make sure to do a thorough research. And a caution, do not mix. For example, you can start teaching people on how to make money online. Then the next video is about the engines of a tractor. It means that you are mixing these people, because the audience that wants to watch videos on how to make money online is not interested on videos about tractor engines. And the best part with this side hustle is that anybody can do. This one does not require any degree. Anybody can do. Whether you are in Lagos, whether you are in other parts of Nigeria, you can start this side hustle. So, my lovely friends who are watching this video, let's try make some extra money online. You can have multiple accounts. For example, you can have 3 or 4 accounts on different niches depending on the topics of your interest. And then most of them you can monetize them and then start making money online in Nigeria. So if you are finding some values in this video, please go on and give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section which part of Nigeria are you watching from. There is also a video that I did about high-paying YouTube niches. You can scroll or you can type in high-paying niches and then watch that video before you start any YouTube channel. Now, the next side hustle that you can venture in 2024 in Nigeria is writing. You can be a freelancer writing, or you can be writing for companies. And the best part with this side hustle is that you can make a good amount of money if you can stick on one topic. There is a lot of news about AIs. Specialize or be an expert on the field of AIs. Then stick on that AIs so that any company that arises up and wants those copywriters to write for them about AI things, you have full knowledge on AIs. So it will be easy for you just to maneuver through that article writing. Now, specializing on one topic is very much important because you have that capacity to tell the client how much you can charge them, because you know everything on that field. But if you have a little knowledge about that field, you cannot know anything that you want to talk about on that article. Now, most of people fail this because they just write articles anyhow. For example, they can write today about best cars in Nigeria, and then tomorrow somebody is writing about cryptocurrency. Another day someone is writing about healthcare. That it means that you are mixing out these topics. But if you concentrate only on one topic, you can end up making a good amount of money. For example, right now, cryptocurrency and trading is rampant here in Nigeria. You can specialize in article writing about trading, cryptocurrency, then start your own blog, then teach people about cryptocurrency, about trading. You can teach them about green candles, you can teach them about red candles, and when to buy and then when to sell these stocks. When you specialize on that topic, people will trust on you, and then they will start sending some assignments for you because they know that you have that knowledge on that field. You can start your own blog and then start making money online. And this is very easy. Why? Because it does not require any skill or any money upfront. What you need to do is that you can head on to Google and then type in blogger.com. Blogger is a free website that you can write your articles and then post on that website. We have others such as WordPress that you can install it into your PC, then start posting up those articles that you have been writing to these clients to your website. And the best part is that once you just write 15 articles or 20 articles, you can apply for monetization. And this involves linking your Google AdSense to your blogger. And once you have linked your Google AdSense to your blogger, you can start making money on your website. The secret here is you must be consistent and persistent. You cannot upload just one article to your website and then wait to get money. You have to work hard. You have to venture in. You have to learn how to publish plagiarism-free articles to your website. Now, the next side hustle that you can venture in 2024 is that you can be a TikTok content creator. Tik is the most used social media platform across the globe. Now you can make money on these TikTok by creating videos on certain products. For example, you can do your own research, then you can go online and then see what people are searching online. For example, most of them can be buying things such as home gym or home theater or anything that people are searching online. You can ask Google Gemini, you can ask it to tell you what people are searching online. You can create high quality videos promoting those products. Then you can join affiliate networks such as Jumia affiliate program. Then you can promote those products. So once people watch these TikTok videos, then they click on that product that you have been suggesting to them. Then they buy those products. We have also Conquer affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs that are available here in Nigeria. So once you make more videos on these products, people will be buying them daily. Hence, you will be making a larger commission on these products. Now, the key here is persistence and patience. You must upload as many videos as possible to TikTok because TikTok pushes your videos across a larger audience. So what you need to do is that you have to put more videos on this tech social media, and definitely somebody will click on that link and then purchase that product that you have been recommending to them. Now, the next side hustle that you can venture in 2024 in Nigeria is selling courses. So you may end up asking me, Mose, I don't know how to create a course. I don't know how to sell a course. Yes, this course you are not going to create on your own. You are going to use the AIs to help you to create courses. People are making a lot of money through selling courses. For example, when you visit this website known as Udemy, you will find people making tons of money by selling courses. So you may ask me, Mose, how do I create a course? Let's take an example. If you have passion about football, maybe, or you have passionate about trading or betting or cryptocurrency, for example, you can go to this AI called ChatGPT. That is a free AI that most people love to use it. You can go to it and then ask ChatGPT that write for me a course about stocks or cryptocurrency. This AI will highlight those courses for you. Then you can tell this AI to write some script on that subtopics. Then you can take those articles and then put somewhere safe. Then you can head on to Udemy and then start creating your course, then selling them. Once people will come on this website, they will buy those courses. Hence, you will be making money online in Nigeria. So my lovely friends in Nigeria, if you are finding some value in this video, please go on and then like this video. And also let me know in the comment section, which part of Nigeria are you still watching this video from? Still, you need to stick to that niche on the course that you are creating on. For example, you must create a course about what you are passionate about. Because when you create this course, these clients will be coming back to buy more courses because they know that you have passion about this cause that you are selling to them. So they will put their trust on you for you to keep on teaching them on this certain topic on the course that you are creating. So a tip for you, do not mix these courses, because when you mix these courses, these people or these clients who will come to buy these courses will definitely know that you are mixing them up. If you are still watching, let me know in the comment section which part of Nigeria are you watching this video from. My Kiswahili teacher told me one thing. He told me that heri nusu shari kuliko shari kamili. It means that it is better to start early than to say I will start 2025. Make sure to at least do something. And remember, persistence and patience is the key to success. So for example, if you don't want to create course and then sell them on Udemy, you can start your own YouTube channel. You can vlog. You can tell people about stories. We have a lot of people out there who just like watching you being online. The way you are watching me being online here. We have a lot of people. Everybody is for somebody. So you have to go on and then start doing your own things online, provided if you follow this criteria that I've told you. For example, you can start a vlog, tell people about your lifestyle. You can start a cooking channel, show people what is up. You can start a YouTube channel about martial art. You can teach people martial art. At least do something in Nigeria, and that something will have to pay off sometimes. And if you become persistent and consistent, most of you will monetize your YouTube channel and then start making money online. And if you become serious, most of you will be making a lot of money on article writing. And if you become persistent and serious, most of you will be selling courses on Udemy. If you become serious and persistent, most of you will be making a lot of money online. So my lovely friend, we have come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so, so that any video that this Moses Muhaya wa Mkota will be making, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. God bless you. Bye.